How to win in Forex. Someone who is consistent always behave in the same way. That is to say, you trade the same pattern, you trade the same setup because it gives you a fair and more accurate result. What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. This is still me Solomon Wisdom aka Born to Trade, and today I'm back with a different video. You guys know in this channel I teach smart money concepts, how to use the strategy and make money and earn cool dollars in the market. And today I'm here with a different video and I'm here to teach you guys how to win consistently in the Forex markets. I know this video is gonna be a little bit boring because I'm not gonna be analyzing anything, but instead I'll be giving you tips which you need to apply to your trading that will make you win consistently in the Forex markets. Like I just said, I have 5 tips I'll be giving you today, and the 5th one is very important, and I know you would like to miss the 5th one. So please, if you are new to the channel, you can hit the subscribe button, you can hit the notification bell to get notified each time I upload new videos. This channel just hit 5,000 subscribers as of now that I'm recording this video, and I'm really happy. Thanks everyone that is watching me. I'm happy and I appreciate your support. Okay, so let's dive into the video right now. To win consistently in the Forex market, one thing you need to do is have a set of rules. You need to have set of rules, things to do and things not to do in the Forex market. So there are a lot of things you can actually apply to your trading strategy, to your trading pattern, to your trading style to be a better trader and to make more money from the Forex market. But today I have 5 tips I'll be giving today which you can actually apply to your trading strategy, apply to your trading style that will make you win consistently in the Forex market. The number one thing we'll be considering today is which market do you trade. This is really important as a trader. Knowing the market you trade is very important. Be specific and avoid jumping around. You understand? Don't just say you are a Forex trader, you're a stock trader, or you trade commodities. That's not enough. You need to have list of pairs you trade. So when you have list of pairs you trade, you know exactly what you trade. Once you come to the market, you know exactly the pairs you look at each time you move to your screen, each time you move to your price chart. You already know pairs you trade, not jumping from one pair to the other. Today you're trading Nasdaq, next tomorrow you're trading gold, the upper day you're trading Euro USD. You can make list of pairs you trade. It could be 10 pairs, it could be 1, it could be 2. You can just choose the pairs you understand better and add them to your list, because when you add these pairs to your list, it will help you understand the character and the movement of the pair. Let's say for example, okay, you bought a book and each time you open the book you only read a particular page. The book has many pages, but there is this particular page you always read once you open up that book you bought. So one thing you'll notice and master about the book is each time you open the book you already know what is in that particular page because you'll be reading the book over and over again. That same thing applies to Forex trading. When you trade one particular pair or you have list of pairs you trade over and over again, you will get familiar to the pair, you understand the movement of the pair, you will understand the character of the pair, which will always put you at a better side, and you have high chances of being consistent, that is winning more trades and making more money from trading few pairs you understand. In trading, one of the ways to win is understanding what you are doing, because some people enter the market without understanding what they do. So when you understand what you do, starting from understanding the pairs you trade, understanding the market you trade, you will stand a better chance of being consistent and winning more trade, that is making more money from the market. I hope that's understood. Okay, so the second thing we'll be talking about is what time frame do you trade. You also need to be specific with the time frame you look at. A lot of traders keeps confusing themselves. Today you will see the trader taking trade from the 2 hours time frame. The next day you see the same trader taking a trade from the 1 minute time frame. Maybe the upper day or next week you still see the same trader taking a trade from the daily time frame. So you need to choose the time frames you take your trade. You know the markets give different information on different time frames, so I would advise anyone that is watching me right now to choose at least 3 or 4 time frames you look at. Not just looking at the time frame, also define what you look for on each of those time frames. I hope you understand what I'm saying right now. Define what you look for on each of those time frame. Personally, when I look at the price charts, I always look at the 4 hours time frame, 2 hours time frame. I look at the 15 minutes and the 5 minutes time frame. So each time I look at the 2 hours or the 4 hours time frame, I'm trying to understand the market direction, understand the overall trend of the market. If the market is ranging, that's what I look for when I look at the higher time frame, like 2 hours or the 4 hours time frame, trying to understand if the market is tradable, because sometimes the market might be ranging and it's not really good to trade that market. And when you see me coming down to the lower time frame, what I usually look for at the lower time frame is confirmations to enter a trade. So coming down to 15 minutes and 5 minutes time frame, I'm pulling the trigger, I'm entering my trade. That's what I'm looking for. So I don't know the strategy you trade, you can go ahead, choose your time frames, know what works for you, have a specific time frame, because the only way you can get consistent set of results is when you follow consistent rules. When you do the same thing over and over again, you see yourself making more money and being more consistent, because you're following a rule and you're respecting the rules. Understand me? So when you do the same thing over and over again, you will see consistent sets of results. I hope you understand. So I'm not going to tell you what to do, but analyze your trading style and do what works for you. Remember, trading from different time frames without having a specific rule is very dangerous. On the lower time frame, market moves faster and there is a lot of trading opportunities, while on the higher time frame, market is a bit slower and you need a lot of patience for your trading setups to play out. So it's left for you to check your trading style and decide the best time frame to use as a trader. And the third, remember I said I have 5 tips I'll be sharing, and I've shared the first and second ones, which are very important. And remember, I said the 5th one is very, very important, which I've been using and it's been working for me. So wait till the 5th one. I know a lot of people will see this video as a boring video because I'm not analyzing the charts. I'm not telling you how to catch 500 pips from a single trade. It's not always like this. Most times you need to listen to topics like this, game-changing topics, like increase your consistency in the market. Okay, so the third one is, where do you enter a trade? And this is really, really important. Me personally, where I enter my trade from my demand zone, supply zone. Some might enter at a support level, some might enter at a resistance level, some trend lines, maybe some they see divergence to enter a trade. So let's say you were using support and resistance strategy. Now price is on your support level, and now you need to know the exact thing you need to see before you take a trade. This is simply knowing the right place to take your trade. Have this rule. You need to have specific rules, like, what do I need to see to enter a trade? Where do I need to see price? What reaction do I need to see before I enter a trade? Do you need to see a candlestick confirmation? Do you need to see a change of character? Do you need indicators to enter your trade? Do you need Wyckoff pattern to enter your trade? Know what you need to see. You need to have specific rules of what you need to see in the market before you pull the trigger. Sometimes I see clean setups. Okay, let me show you something right now. Let me show you this quickly. Okay, so this was the setup right here. Euro GBP forecast 2 hours time frame, and here is the forecast. I said price will come to this level. So for me, this is a demand level and I need to see price coming back right here for me to take a trade. Not only coming back to this level, once price comes back to this level, there are some certain confirmations I need to see before I take a trade from here, and this is what you need to implement in your trading strategy. Add it to your strategy. Once price comes to your zone or any level at all which you trade from, look for certain things, certain confirmations before you take a trade, because those confirmations will always save you. And personally, let's go down. This is the exact setup I shared right there, but what can you see? Price came back, respected the zone, and it moved to the direction I predicted. But one funny thing about this, I didn't take the trade because price didn't give the confirmations I need. It's my rule and I try to respect my rules each time I find myself trading. I try as much as I can to respect those rules. The trade was a great trade. Price moved to my direction, but I didn't take the trade. Why? Price failed to give me the confirmation I need. What I need to see before I take the trade wasn't available, so I didn't do what? Take that trade. And this is exactly what you need to do as a trader. Have set of rules. Trade. What do you need to see before you enter a trade? Where do you enter your trade? So this is very important. This is the third one, and I hope you add it to your strategy. The fourth thing you need to win consistently in the forex market is to know where to place your stop loss and also know where your target is. Before you even take a trade, you have to know where to place your stop loss. It's still funny how people take trades without using stop loss. I find it very funny because one of these days markets might teach them a lesson they will find very hard to forget. Before you take any trade, you need to have a defined risk reward ratio. I've made a video on risk management. You can check it out on this channel. So like I said, know where you place your stop loss, know where your target is. I'm not going to talk much about this because this is simple and everyone knows about this. Know where you place your stop loss and also have your targets. Please give me your attention right now because this fifth one is very, very important. Me personally, I've been using this and it's been working for me. It's gonna be a game changer if you can actually apply it to your trading style. It's gonna help you win consistently in this forex market. So, and the fifth one is knowing your setup. Okay, knowing your setup. If you're a technical trader, you analyze the markets technically, you don't depend on the news, you will always notice that your trading setups will always look alike. They will always look alike. Every weekend I analyze the pairs I trade and I have possible setups which I've been looking to trade from. And one thing I've noticed since I've been doing that is most of my setups, they look alike. I'm just trading the same thing over and over again. I'm trading the same setup over and over again. So I hope no matter the strategy you trade, no matter the indicators you trade with, you'll notice that your trading setups will always look alike because you've been trading the same pattern, you've been trading the same way, the same setups. So what you need to do is when you're looking at price and you see a setup that doesn't look like the regular setups or the regular patterns you've been trading, what you need to do is to discard the setup because that's not what you trade. Me personally, I know what I trade, I know the setups I look for in the market. So when I see a setup that doesn't look like the one I trade, I don't trade the setup because I already have what have been giving me a good and a better result. I hope you understand where I'm driving to. The setups I've been trading has been giving me a good and a better result because I've been doing it over and over again. So that's the same thing I want you to do for me. Always look at your setups each time you analyze the market. Choose the setups that looks alike because you've been trading them over and over again. And what I want you to do is to discard the setups or the patterns you are not familiar with. I hope this was helpful. I just listed and gave you these 5 tips to add to your trading style to help you become a better trader and help you win more trades. Okay, and I hope this was helpful and I hope you were able to jot 1 or 2 points down. I just hope you apply them and see results after now. So thanks for watching this video. Please, if you're totally new to the channel, consider subscribing to this channel, be part of Born to Trade family. So thanks for watching this video. This is still me, Solomon Wisdom, aka Born to Trade. Thanks for watching me once again. See you next weekend.